What's going on, Cuter? Cuter's curious, yeah. You're curious, aren't you? What's going on? Where's Leo and Chiclet? Cuter is really curious.
Yeah. She really heard all of this and...
Who's the little baby?
Hello. Little baby's not very happy.
Oh. Hi
Lulu's
there.
looking to see if she's got any kitten food in the pan.
Oh, she's shaking.
Yeah. She's scared.
Oh, yeah, you're scared. Look at how pretty you are, though. Is it a girl?
We don't know. I don't know.
You look like a girl.
That's okay. See him blowing her kisses. Take that thing out of my face.
You better get used to it. Hi there, buddy. Aw, what a poor thing. Oh, it probably misses its brother or sister.
We're in a big strange place.
Oh.
You went for a ride in a car.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm just gonna keep touching you. Yeah, I'm gonna keep touching you.
She's like, I'm gonna punch you.
I'm gonna just keep touching you. Yeah.
Say hello to the camera.
That heart is pounding like crazy.
Oh.
Yeah, you're just pounding like crazy. Meow, 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 meow.
I don't see it. Oh. Hi there, cutie pie. Oh, you found a nice little spot to hide?